Blizzard warning in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 7 a.m. Central Time Saturday. Our flight's at 8. Blizzard conditions expected, total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches with local heavier snow amounts possible. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. Travel could be very difficult. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility.
This is not exactly how we wanted to start our spring break. They got this forecast right. As long as today ends in 80-degree weather and watching the sunset in the Caribbean, that's all I want.
Okay, I want you to look at the road though, not the camera.
There's travel advisories, which basically means don't travel.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
And there are snow drifts at the intersection from the plows. There's no way we'd get to the airport this morning without four-wheel drive. Roads aren't even plowed.
Oh my god. I'm so stressed out.
But we made it. We're here. We're at the airport. Get our bags checked in and get through
TSA pre-check, yay!
Yeah, this is our first time with TSA pre-check.
Let's see how it goes. 41 minutes waiting to leave our bags through priority check-in. This has been a stressful morning. Sorry.
We're good.
Oh, God.
Right. TSA pre-check, that's a game changer.
Yeah, that was the best part of the trip.
Our flight's been delayed a couple hours. The plane before ours at the gate was stuck sitting there because the walkway down there was stuck in the snow. And then more delays. But our plane has finally arrived, so hopefully we'll be boarded soon and on our way.
Perfect.
After a 4-hour delay, we are finally boarding.
We're going to Aruba. 19. We tried the thing where we booked an end seat and a window seat, hoping that no one will take the middle seat.
Service from St. Paul, Minneapolis, Minnesota, over to Aruba.
Well, that didn't work, but thankfully the guy switched seats with me so we can sit next to each other.
Apologize for the delay, but it's much beyond our control here. A lot of it was weather related, as you can tell. Some of it was system related. Some of it was because baggage handlers and ground crew couldn't get to the airport because they were snowed in. A 5-minute taxi out. We're still going to have to get the ice. We have some snow on the wings. We'll get that taken care of. On a brighter note, we'll be underway very shortly. It's going to be 4 hours, 48 minutes en route down to Aruba. Please show some grace for our flight attendants. It's, again, not their fault, and they are going to be working on a 20-hour duty day. They have to fly back from Aruba tonight. Welcome aboard.
Holy buckets. Oh, do you feel that?
Yeah, it's warm.
Humidity. Oh, we made it to Aruba. It's been a day.
Customs, here we go. Looks like, let's try this one. Good sign when both your bags make it.
To the left, maybe?
Customs went all right.
Oh, super quick.
That was easy. All right, we gotta figure out where we're going and...
It's dark.
Oh,
I have no idea.
I need food and a beer.
The place we're staying, though, I think there's places around there to get all of that stuff once we get there.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. Are we here?
So I think we're here.
We go in here? No. Dinah, this has got to be it. We were on the street. Things were going so well. We think we found the place, but we're not sure how to get in. Hopefully the owners reply soon. I think this is it.
See what the island looks like in the daylight tomorrow.
Hot and windy.
Yeah, it works for me. Better than 10 inches of snow. Oh, I love this. So cute.
You can eat, work, drink here. You can use the sofas, the hammocks.
Oh, I love it.
We have the kitchen right there.
Oh,
very
nice.
cool.
There's a gas barbecue, a gas stove, a barbecue, pots and pans, and a lot of seasonings.
Okay, awesome. Oh, this is lovely. Very cool.
And then I
Cold
have you
beer.
guys right here.
Yeah.
Do you want a cold beer?
It's been a day. It has been a day.
Anyway, that's where you come in.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Perfect.
there's the shower right there if you come from the beach and you want to rinse
Oh,
off,
nice.
You can do
Okay.
that. Sweet. And then you are right here.
Awesome.
I already have the airco on because I figured, you know, it's very hot.
Thank you.
Very
Oh,
nice.
I love it. Oh, I want to cry. I'm so happy to be here.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it.
Just always watch your step.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, me in the middle of the night.
Well, that's why there's an emotion light. Because look, here's your bathroom, and if
Okay.
you go from there to the bathroom, this light goes on.
Oh, good. Okay, I'm
okay.
gonna probably need that. Oh, thank you so much. I'm
You're
so excited
welcome.
to spend the week here.
Okay, now for tomorrow morning, you have a little tea and coffee to start off with.
Oh, yay.
There's cold water in the fridge. You can drink the water
Okay.
from the faucet.
Oh, yeah, we've heard that about Aruba, the faucet water. Oh, good, perfect. Yep. Oh, this is great. Thank you so much.
Get your suitcase. I'll get you 2 beers.
Oh,
Awesome.
perfect. Oh my God, there's a kitty. Hi, little kitty cats. Oh. Cheers. We made it.
It's been a long day.
Our lovely little host lady gave us a beer.
Chill. Alright, so obviously we have checked into our place that we're going to be staying for the week here in Aruba.
So the Gino and I think it's Brigitte, the way it looks, their house is just right over here. And then there's this common area out here. We'll have to show you this stuff tomorrow when it's daylight, I guess.
Yeah.
But.
We need to go find some dinner.
Nice dinner. I like breakfast lunch.
Cool entrance.
It's a lot quieter than the other place. This is the crystal clear water we get to see.
We found a place just down the road from where we're staying, and the menu is in a picture frame. Seafood tonight.
Thank you. Oh, yummy. Look at yours.
That looks amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. I don't know why I decided to order the escargot.
I want to see you try these.
Because the only time I've ever had them was on a cruise ship, and I don't know, like, it just sounded like fancy. So here we go. It looks kind of gross. It's actually tasty.
I don't know what's what though. Okay, I'm just diving in. That looks like conch. Wow. Fish of the day. Mahi mahi. That's excellent. Are these the fried plantains? Nope. Are these the plantains? Nope, that's cornbread. That's gotta be the fried plantains.
Everybody's getting healthy.
I
Jackpot.
love that. Yep.
Looks like a robot.
Thank you. Ooh. The brewery is not too far from here, but she's just.
Yeah. Couple blocks away. Yeah, baby.
Oh, I like that one. Nice.
Comfortable with it?
That was good. Yeah, thanks. I can't wait to see what this looks like in the daylight tomorrow.
How long you got that for?
Till next Saturday, a week. Yeah, we're staying at Seven Shades of...
7 shades of blue.
Yes.
With Bridgerton and,
Yep, Gino.
and Gino.
Yes. Yes. No, just go ahead and pour. It's been a long day.
Nice. No problem. I understand.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My bracelet. No. Are they friendly? He's in Aruba. You can order a bottle of wine and take what you don't drink to go.
Why are you whispering?
I don't know.
Feel like you're doing something illegal?
Maybe. Don't tell anybody.
Keep it a secret. But we'll post it on YouTube.
It's been a long day.
That it has. After dinner, we came back and got unpacked, and we're just ready to call it a day.
We're exhausted. Is that fair?
That is fair to say.
That was a lot of talking.
Because we really
We're
don't
so
know what to say.
tired.
Just tired. Good night. Good morning, Aruba. Diana's awake. I gotta go get her. She's gotta come see this.
Can't even. This is so cool. Like, here's my eyes. They are so cute. I've never ever seen one in real life like this. I need a picture with the cactus. Because I have to. Oh, it's slippery. Woo! It's not warm. When we arrived last night, it was dark. Imagine my surprise when I woke up this morning. Our little Airbnb apartment, starfish. There are 4 others on this little property. Tons of greens, a cute little tiki hut, some seating, hammocks, a table over there. There's a full outdoor kitchen area. Hut number 2, seahorse. There's another little apartment over here. This one's called the Seashell, Sand Dollar, and the Sea Turtle. There's a cute little pond that actually has fish in it. And there's a little outdoor shower area.
We feel very lucky that we're here. It started off pretty rough with the blizzard back in Minnesota and the fact that flight after flight kept being canceled.
It was really discouraging.
It was. We're just thankful to be here, and we're going to enjoy everything Aruba has to offer.
Starting with Eagle Beach. But we're not complaining because we're at the beach. We're not in Minnesota with 10 inches of snow.
There is no blizzard warning here.
We tried the thing where we booked an end seat and a window seat to see if anybody will sit in the window.
All right, well, where's the keys? Is it running?
Yep.
Oh, it's running. Here we go. I'm cutting that part out.
It's ready to rock and roll.
Smoke. You can smoke whatever you want under the gazebo.
Okay.
So obviously we have checked into our place that we're going to be staying for the week here in Aruba. It is just this, what is it?
It's a thing.
It's still light. Yep, that didn't work.
Look how crystal blue that water is. Crystal clear. Look how pretty blue that water is. Look at all the different colors of blue.
Okay, pause this between so I can actually edit it.
Look at all the different colors of blue.